Okay. And good afternoon to our facilitator for today, Ma'am Melanie Milicio. Good afternoon, ma'am. And to our classmates nga gikan pa ta ning exam, no? Okay. Okay, I will present to you our topic, no, that tulo may mo report ron. So expect nga chapter 3 mahuman this afternoon. Okay, wait. Okay, nakita na ba? O pa di. Okay? Nakita na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, our topic for this afternoon is all about matrices, the matrix. So, are you familiar of this topic when you are in college? Huh? Okay. 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 Very good, Sir Elisar. Thank you, sir, for listening. Okay, I'm the first reporter of this chapter 3, which are called matrices, and followed by me, Ma'am Antoinette Rim, and followed by Sir Bermoy. So my topic for today is all about the introduction of the matrices in action, the matrix operation, and the matrix algebra. Okay. If we talk about matrix or matrices, that is the square or rectangular grid of values that is surrounded by the square bracket. No, the lines numbers going from left to right, and that is called the matrix rows. And the lines of the numbers going from the top to the bottom are the matrix columns. So that is a very easy, no, to determine the matrix, the columns, and the metric rows and the matrix columns. For the metric rows again, that is left to right, and for the matrix column, that is for from top to bottom. Okay. If we talk about matrix is a rectangular array of numbers that is called entries or elements. So inside in the matrix, the kanang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, sorry. These are the elements or entries of the matrix. Again, the line of the numbers going from left to right, that is the matrix, and for the columns is top to bottom. So here are the samples, no? Here are the samples of the matrix. The 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1 half, negative 2, 0, square root of 3, 5, and etc. Okay. A matrix is called M by N. So that is pronounced by M by N if it has rows, and that rows represent as letter M, and for columns is for N. So first is rows, then column, row and column. That is M by N. And the examples of these matrices of according to their size is at the above. That is 2 by 2. No? 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 1, 1 by 4, 3 by 3, and excuse me, 1 by 1. So for 2 by 2, so how many entries? In 2 by 2, how many entries? Matrix entries. Okay, very good. 4. And Kay bao naman mo no, so sayo na kayo ni mag-identify og matrix pila sulod play ayang sud sa matrix. Okay. Okay. So a matrix A1 times M matrix is called a row matrix or row vector. And N times 1 metric is called a column matrix or column vector. Again, and again, M is for rows, N is for columns. Okay, with this notation, a general M by N matrix A has the form. Okay, this one. This is a form of the matrix. For the entries, number 1 is A sub 11 for row 1. Row 2, A sub 12. A21, A31 for row. For columns, kanang A sub 11, A12 until A sub N. So, muna siya general forms of the matrix M by N. Okay. In the columns of matrix A are the vectors. In the columns of the matrix A are the vectors. Are A sub 1, A sub 2 until A sub N. Then we may represent matrix A as A sub 1, A sub 2 until A sub N. That is for columns. For the rows of matrix A, the vectors is pinatindog or vertical. They we may represent as A sub 1, A sub 2, until A sub N. Okay? Consider the following matrices. So, which is matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, and matrix D. And together with their entries or elements. So, diagonal entries of matrix A are A sub 11, A sub 22, A sub 33. And if M is equal to N, if M is equal to N, that is if A has the same numbers of rows as column, then the matrix A or the matrix is called square matrix. Again, kung same numbers ang row at saka columns, that matrix is called square matrix. Next, a square matrix whose non-diagonal entries are all zero, they called as diagonal matrix. Again, diagonal matrix is a square matrix whose non-diagonal entries, non-diagonal, okay, bawal man tanong, what is non-diagonal? Are all zero, they called as diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix, all of whose non-diagonal entries are the same, is called a scalar matrix. Again, the diagonal matrix of all whose diagonal entries are the same is called scalar matrix. And the last one, if the scalar on the diagonal is 1, ayang diagonal daw is 1, tanan. The scalar matrix is called identity matrix. Then their N by N is identity matrix is denoted by I sub N, or simply I if its size is understood. So based on the following matrices given, matrix A, B, C, and D, which of the following matrices are square matrix?
B, C, and D, sir.
Okay, very good. B. Okay, the answer is matrix B, are the matrix, and etc. How about the diagonal matrix? Uy, sorry, nakuha na ang answer. Matrix C. How about the identity matrix? Identity. Okay, D. Very good. D. Okay. Wow. Mga bright tag, yun yung mga classmate na ko. Super duper. Okay. Let's proceed. So the two matrices are equal. When we can say that the two matrices are equal, kanus aman ta makaingon na ang two matrices are equal? Kanus akaha? When we can say that the two matrices are equal. Do you have an answer? Ay, sorry. Do you have an answer, classmates? Kay ako po, muni po ko diri. Okay. Kinsa may maka-answer kay nay load nga FB10, FB15. Murag way mo answer guro kay away load. Sige. Okay, the two matrices are equal if they have the same size and if their corresponding entries are equal. So that is the two matrices are equal. When the two matrices are equal, when the size are same, and of course, the corresponding entries or elements are equal. So that is the two matrices are equal. Okay, thus, if matrix A is equal to A sub ij, m by n, and matrix B is equal to B sub ij, then A is equal to B. So kanang m by n and r by s, that is the, the size of the matrix. Then kanang A sub ij o B sub ij mo na yung mga entries sa matrices. Okay. If and only if n is equal to r and n is equal to s and A sub ij is equal to B sub ij for all I and j. That is the two matrices are equals. That is the condition. Okay, consider the matrices. Okay, consider the matrices. The matrix A, the matrix B, and C. Okay. So, matrix A and matrix B are equal. Anong equal man? Because they're same size and say corresponding the entries are equal. Pareha ang iyang isika entry or elements. There are 4 elements in matrix A and matrix B. How about C? Is A is equal to C? Equal ba ang matrix A o matrix C? No? Because nga naman, because C is 2 by 3. So since A and B are 2 by 2, matrices C is 2 by 3. However, A is equal to B if and only if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 5, and D is equal to 3. So that is the examples of two matrices are equal. Kung same siya o entries. Equal ang iyang entries and same pod ang iyang size. Okay. Next, let us consider this matrix. Is matrix R and matrix C are equal? Yes or no? Okay, no. Why no? Why? Okay, very good, classmate Melanie. So, i-text ra ang imuhang number kaya ako kang loadan og FB15. Okay, very good. No? The answer of Melanie is correct. Despite that, the fact R and C have the same entries. They're same entries, di ba? Tuloy sod. But they are not the same in their size, which is 1 by 3. Ang isa, 1 by 3. Tapos, ang C is 3 by 1. Okay. Very good, Melanie. So, si Melanie nasa dyan 15 nga FB 15. Okay, very good. So, kung daghan mo yung answer, ani, ma-convert ni into giga 15. Giga 50, sorry. Kung katulo mo, kasi 3 or more answers are correct. So, ma-convert ang yung FB o giga 50. Okay. Next. Okay. That's it. So that's our distinction between row matrices or vectors and column matrices or vectors is an important one. So that is a very important nga. Dapat we already know what the number of the same size, the size of the matrix and the corresponding of their elements. Okay. Next, let us proceed to the matrix operation. So, are you familiar the matrix operation? Kinumdum pa ba ta? Kinumdum pa ba mo? Okay. One of this is this one. As far as linear algebra is concerned, the two most important operations with vectors are vector addition and the scalar multiplication. So if we talk about vector addition, that is adding two or more vectors, and the scalar multiplication, we're talking about multiplying the vector by a scalar. So that is the two operations, the most important operation in the matrix operation. Okay, for the matrix addition, okay, if matrix A is equal to the entries A sub ij and B is equal to the matrix, the entries B, ij are m by n matrices. Their sum A plus B is the m by n matrix obtained by the adding the corresponding entries. No? So ato ra siyang, we will add the two matrix, iyang mga entries, ato na siyang addon. So the A sub A plus B is equal to the entries of A sub ij plus the entries of B, which is B sub ij. Okay. If A and B are not the same size, of course, we cannot define. Dapat magkapareha ang iyang size. The two matrices are equal or same size. Consider the matrices. Matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, and matrix D. Okay. Compute A plus B, A plus C, and C plus D. Okay. So let's try to compute given the matrices, the matrix A plus B, A plus C, and C plus D. So katong maka-answer ani, so another if B 15. Sige, kinsay mo answer sa number 1, A plus B. I will give you 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. Okay, what is your answer for number 1? So, na si Melanino, 15 na iyang load. Kasi pa'y uban ganahan mo answer. So, muna atong rule for today. So, muna ito. First talk, first correct, first prize. So, kinaunahan mo storya, tapos correct. So, mo siya makadawat og prize nga FB 15. O, di ba? Sulit kayong FB 15, 3 days. O, kinsa may answer sa number 1? Oh, Milicio. Si Elisar, sorry. Elisar has raised a hand. Okay, Sir Elisar, what is your answer?
Good afternoon, sir. My answer is -2, 5, -1. Then for the second row is 1, 6, 7.
Okay, let us check if your answer is correct. So let us reveal. Okay, is it correct? -2, 1, 5, 6, -1, 7. Okay, very good, Sir Elisar. May load ka na nga if Elisar, no? Elisar, 15. Very good, Sir Elisar. Kinsa may answer sa number 2? Sayon ra, no? Oh, Sir Milan. Sir Milani. Ma'am Milani. Okay, very good. Sus, bright ta dyan si Ma'am Milani. Ay, very good. A plus C is cannot be solved. Wow, very good. Wow. Grabe si Ma'am Milani. Ay, gimata-mata ra gud niya. Okay, how about number 3? Milani, 15 points na, no? 15, so 30 na lang. Oh, Sir Bermoy. Wow, Sir Bermoy, what is your answer?
Hello, good afternoon,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, good
My
afternoon.
my answer for number 3 is 5524.
Okay, 5524. Okay, be. Atong chikon. Okay, very good, Sir Bermoy. 15, FB 15. Very good. So, sayon na, no? Sayon na dyan ang matrix, addition of matrix. O, diba? Yun sama na ninyo, be. O, inyo ranggi, add. Ato rang adon ng iyang masig interest kan A plus B. So, let us add A plus -3. So, tapos, 4 plus 1, then 0 plus -1. So, dapat mag-same ang iyahang interest. No? So, the answer is -2. So, very good. Okay, nakasabot ba? Any questions? Do you have questions about regarding sa, what do you call this one? Addition of interest. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Wow. Grabe, daghan nag likes. Okay, inana, good, no? Okay, let's proceed. Okay. Kung wala question, okay. Please react like or wow. Wow na lang kaadlaw. Kalag-kalag na. Okay. How about this one? Consider the matrix the same. Say if matrix A is an M plus by N matrix and C is a scalar, then the scalar is multiplied to the matrix. The M by N matrix obtained by multiplying each entry of A or matrix A by C. More formally, we have, so what we're going to do is you will multiply the scalar. No, the scalar is C. The variable that we use is C. So all you have to do is ato rang i-multiply ang scalar sa tanang entries, no, sa matrix A. So C matrix A is equal to C times the entries equal to CAIJ. Okay? Okay, another na po nga examples, compute. Given consider the matrices, compute 2A, 1/2 A, and -1, -1A. Sige, 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Si Melanie, 30 na iya ha. Si Sir Elisar, 15. Si Sir Bermoy, 15. Okay. If you have an idea or answer, you can raise your, you can talk or raise your right hand. Okay, Sir Elisar again. Pasok. What is your answer, sir?
Kada tanang tulo, sir, or kanang usara?
Kana sang isa, sir. Aron angay-angay ang 15.
Okay, sir. So, sa 2A,
Okay,
that will
2A.
be 280. Then, that is -4, 12, 10.
Okay, very good, Sir Elisar. Sus, grabe, Sir Elisar. Oy, bright kayo. Okay, correct. Yes. Kinsa pay mo raise. Okay, Sir Anthony, do you have an answer? Kita pa uban mo answer kay sus manghatag-tag load. Kaya aron di katugon ng uban. Oh, yes, Ma'am Antoinette Rim. Ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, for 1/2 A, so
Yeah.
1/2, 2, 0, -1, 3, and 5 halves.
Okay, very good, Ma'am Rim. Sus, my God. Mga bright time na yung classmate. Ay, sus, Mario Sen. Sige. Next, how about -1A? Wikin sa man to si Ma'am Rim to no? Sus, 15. Hala, kindaghanan naman yung Grace, oy. Sir Anthony. Unsay answer mo, sir?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon.
Ibalik sa sir.
Ay, ibalik. Ado. Okay, ibalik. Sige.
For -1A, the answer is -1, -4, 0, +2, -6, and -5.
Very good, sir. Very good. Sir Antonino?
Yes, sir.
So, daghanan ako 15 ani ipanghatag. Okay, very good. Okay, so that is the matrices, no? Sayo na kayo, no? Okay. So, the matrix -1A is written as -A. Di ba equal man ang -1A is equal to -1. Kaya ito naman i-multiply ng -1 times A. So, the result is -1. And that is matrix -A. As with vectors, we can use this fact to define the difference of the two matrices. No? If matrix A and matrix B are the same size, then A minus B is equal to A plus minus B. Okay. Example, A minus B. What is the answer? Kinsa may mo answer ani? 30 seconds. A minus B. The A minusan og B. Say answer. Sir Anthony. Sus Mariusep.
I-try lang, sir.
Sige, try.
A minus B, first row is -4, 3, and 1. Then second row is -5, 6, and 3.
Unsa to imong answer, sir?
Answer. -4,
-4, 3,
-3,
3,
+1.
+1.
Yes, sir. Then sa second row is -5, 6,
-5, 6,
6,
6,
3.
3. Okay. Be, atong chiko, sakto ba po ning akong answer? So,
Fine.
unsay value ni A? Okay. Nga naman ha? Pareha ta? Okay. Murag upat dagana lang may mga ni Sir Anthony. Pareha ta na Melanie. 4, 3, 1, and -5, 6, 3.
Sakto na, sir.
Okay, atong yeah. Kaya atong minuson man, no? Minuson na to ang entry sa matrix A o matrix B. So 1 minus -3. So ma-change into minus man. So atong i-change ang subtrahend into positive, then proceed to addition. So mahimo ng 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 0 minus -1, again, the rule in subtracting integers, that is change the sign of subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Or another way is when the two sign, negative and negative, magtapad gani sila, all you have to do is just multiply. So negative times -1, basta iso na siya parenthesis, that is multiply na siya. So that is 1. So -2 minus 3. So that is -5, right? And 6 minus 0, that is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Na-check na imo, Sir Anthony? Negative 4, 3, 3, 1. Anong daghan to, sir, ha? Okay, sige. Okay na, nasabta na ang difference of the two matrices. Sayon ra, no? Kindly react wow and or like. Aron maibawaan gid ako nga unsay tawag ani nakasabot mo. Wow, daghan man tuoy mura ko gibumbahan og wow nakalag-adlaw, kalag-kalag na. Okay, mga una tag suman sunod. Oy, diday biko. Suman man gud sa mua. Okay. Okay, a matrix of all whose entries are zero is called zero matrix, and that is denoted by 0 or 0m by n. If it is important to specify its size. It should be clear that if matrix A is any matrix and 0 is zero matrix, of the same size, then A plus 0 is equal to A, the matrix A. Kung atong adan ang matrix A plus 0, of course, the result is matrix A. So, therefore, matrix A is equal to 0 plus 1. And, kung ato pong minuson, if we subtract A minus A, matrix A minus matrix A, the result is 0. So, therefore, 0 is equal to negative A plus A. So that is the proof of the matrix. Zero matrix. Okay. The matrix operation, which we're done in the what they call this matrix addition or addition matrix. Now let's proceed to the matrix multiplication. So if matrix A is an m by n matrix and B is an n by r matrix, then the product C is equal to the matrix AB. So C is the product. So if we multiply the matrix A and the matrix B, there will be a product result, which is C. No? And the I and J entry of the product is composed as follows. Okay. So the product Cij is equal. So we will multiply the A sub I1 times B1, B sub n 1J plus A sub I2 times B sub 2. Same ra sa process code addition pero we need to multiply ang isig ka interest and etc. Okay. Notice that A and B need not, dili siya need og same size, need not be the same size. However, the number of columns of A, so mo na atong hinumduman ha. Don't forget this one. The number of the column of A must be the same as the number of rows of B. So, mundyo na ito ang hinumduman that the number of columns of A must be the same as the number of rows of B. If we write the size of matrix A and matrix B and AB in order, we can say at the glance whether this requirements is satisfied. Moreover, we can predict the size of the product before doing any calculation. Since the number of rows of matrix AB is the same as the number of rows of A, while the number of columns of matrix AB is the same as the number of columns of B as shown below. So that is it. So again, dapat the number of columns of A. So asa may columns ani sa matrix A, di ba kana si N? Ang number of rows of B. So, di ba, kana po sa N, dapat equal, same size. Same ang iyang size. Must be same as the number of rows of B. Okay? Okay, kani, diara. Okay, dapat parihan ang columns, same siya. Tapos, the result of row, no? At saka, kana, size of AB. So that is it. The formula for the entries of the product looks like a dot product, and indeed it is. It says that the entry ij entry of the matrix AB is the dot product of the ith row of A, excuse me, and the jth column of B. Okay, this one. So notice that in the expression C sub ij is equal to AI1 times B sub 1j plus AI2B sub 2j plus until AIN times B sub nj, that is the outer subscript on each AB terms in the sum are always I and j, whereas the inner subscript always agree and increase from 1 to n. We see this pattern clearly if we write C sub ij using the summation notation. So this will be the summation notation for the matrix multiplication. Okay. Example. So ani na punta. So let us compute matrix A and B. What is your answer? Compute matrix AB given the matrix A and matrix B. So what is the answer or the product of AB? So I will give you 2 minutes to solve this one. So same gyapon na process. Nagyapon tayo load nga 15. Ang maka-answer o correct. First talk, first hand, or first talk or first hand, first correct, first prize for FB10. No, FB15. Okay, Ma'am Almame.
Okay, I'll try, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sige.
The product of matrices AB is equal to 12, negative
12.
8,
Sige, ma'am.
negative 8, 0, negative 4, 2, 4, negative 5, and 7.
Okay, let us check. Okay. Halabi. So, the answer is... Okay, very... 12, negative 8, 0, negative 4, 2, 4... Sakto ba, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Atong kwanon, atong analyson. Since A is 2 by 3, right? And B is 3 by 4. Then the product A sub A is defined as will be 2 by 4. So, pareha man ang ihang columns, no? Columns o row. So, 3 by 3. So, ang iyang result is 2 by 4. So, the first column of the product is computed by taking the dot product. Okay. So, 1 times negative 4. No, atong times mo na si 1 times negative 4 plus 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Negative 1 times negative 1. So, ina na ang pag-process sa column. Kanisi dya, this one. Then, column times row. Then, for C sub 12, so 1 times 0. 3 times negative 2. Tapos, negative 1 times 2 is equal to negative 8. Okay? For C sub 13, so 1 times 3 plus 3 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times 0 equals 0. C to the power. C sub 14, so 1 times negative 1. Okay. 3 times 1. Negative 1 times 6 equal to negative 4. So let us proceed to the second row of C is computed by taking the dot product. So negative 2. Kani, row. Negative 2 times negative 4. So, row o column di, sorry. Plus negative 1 times 5 plus 1 times negative 1. So, the answer is 2. C sub 22. So, negative 2 times 0 plus negative 1 times negative 2 plus 1 times 2. That is 4. Is it correct? Negative 2 times 3 plus negative 1 times negative 1 plus the 1 times 0. That is negative 5. Correct? Negative 2 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times 1 plus 1 times 6 is equal to 7. So therefore, the answer is the product of A and B is 12, 2, negative 8, 4, 0, negative 5, negative 4, and 7. Is that correct? Sakto ba ta? Pareha ba ta solusyon? Okay, very good. Ma'am Alma, pareha ba ta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Ma'am Alma. Nakay 15, ma'am. It be 10. Okay. Any questions about in a matrix of multiplication? Kaya mo proceed ako. Okay. Let's proceed. Let's try. Kane. Okay, kane. So, given math. Math nga matrix M, matrix N, matrix A, matrix T, and matrix H. What we're going to do is you will solve this one. Solve MA o HT. Sayon rin na. 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, what is your answer for MA? Be, kinsa may mo raise aning una? Ten seconds. Excuse me. Yes, Sir Anthony.
Try lang ni sir.
Say what
First-
problema, sir?
First row is negative 12, negative 6, 3. Second row is 4, 12, 14.
Wow, very good, sir. Is that correct? Wow, 15. It be 10. So, 30 na lang. Kuwangan na lang kag-isa, sir. Kay aron ma-convert into Giga 50. Yun. Sige. How about HT? Wow, very good, sir. Anthony, ay, salamat. Daghan dyan naminaw nato, no? Okay, how about the others? Oh, yes, Sir Mark. Ayan. What is your answer, sir, for HT?
0.
Zero? Zero. Okay, okay, let us check if your answer is correct. Okay, so negative 1, 2, so the answer is, ano na zero man, sir? So, di ba atong i-multiply si negative 1 times 4? Tapos, may siya tawag ani? Row times column. Isa'y pareha na tog answer. Okay, same tama Milani. Okay. Isa pa'y uban. Pareha. Pareha ta Sir Elisar, Sir Anthony. Okay, wow. Very good. Okay. So, Sir Mark, so the answer is negative 4, 8, negative 2, and 4. So because we're going to multiply, so don't cry, Sir Mark, kay daghan pa ta mga exercise ani mga maka-avail ta og FB10, FB15. Okay. So mo gini uli kog dali kay aron ano mangita og GCash. So negative 1 times 4, that is negative 4. Negative 1 times 2, that is negative 2. So 2 times 4, that is 8. Then 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to problem solving. Okay. In problem solving, not only for the kasi pag tawag ana linear system or linear equation, we can use also the matrices in problem solving. No, we can use the matrices when you solve the problem. For example, this one. Anne and Bert are planning to go shopping for fruits for the next week. For kalag-kalag siguro din. Next week man. They each want to buy some apples. Apples. Is it apples or apples? Orange and grapefruit. But in differing amounts. For table 3.1, so muna siya given. So si Anne na siya apples nga 6, si Bert 4, sa grapefruits na 3 si Anne, si Bert na 8, sa orange na 10, si Bert na 5. Okay. And there are the 2 fruit markets nearby Sam's and Tio's, and their prices are given in table 3.2. Kana muna ihang mga price ni sa market ni Sam's o ni Tio. Sinong Tio's? How much will it cost Anne and Bert to do their shopping at each of the 2 markets? So, how to apply this one in the matrices? Okay, so this one. So, muna yung table, no? Muna yung mga gipamalit ni Anne o ni Bert o muna yung mga price ni Sam's o ni Tio's. Okay, if Anne shops at Sam's, she will spend 6 times 0.10. Ang presyo sa apple is 0.10. Plus 3 times 0.40 for the grapes. Plus 10 times 0.10. So, pila yung na-spend? That is $2.80. Sa Sam nga markets, for the Tio's market, she will spend 6 times 0.15 plus 3 times 0.30 plus 10 times 0.20 is equal to $3.80. For Anne. How about for ni Bert? Bert will spend 4. Kay upat ka apples ang gipalit, then tag 10 pesos, so 0.10 plus 8 times 0.40 plus 5 times 0.10, that is 4.10 at Sam. At Sam, how about for Tio's? 4 times 0.15 plus 8 times 0.30 plus 5 times 0.20, that is $4 at Tio's. How to apply this one into the matrix? How to apply? Do you have an idea? Wow, na bagong hinsod. Raganahan si Ma'am Fatima og makaload og Facebook 10. Okay, do you have an idea how to apply the matrix in this problem given? Okay? So, kinsa may na-answer? Kay ato ang hatagan og Facebook 15. Hatagan Facebook. Loadan og Facebook 15 di ay hatagan. Okay, who wants to Okay, Sir Anthony. Hala, Sir Anthony. Ikaw, tulo na dyan mo. Makakuha na gyud ka. Maka-giga 50 na gyud. Sige, Sir. I-dictar lang, Sir. Og asay imuhang tawag ana. Sige, matrix.
Okay, so for So for matrix A, ang iyang mga elements is 6, 3, 10, 4, 8, 5. Then sa matrix B is $10, $15, $40, $30, $10, and $20.
Wow, very good, sir. And what is the product or the result? Wow,
Answer.
great.
$2.8, $3.8, $4.1, and $4.
Wow, very good, sir. Ay, sus, grabe, super duper. Okay, plus no, plus 50, it be 15. Wow. Convert na ni sir na to og giga 50. Okay? Any questions about in using the matrix in problem solving? Do you have questions? So, inanaon na nato. So, let's do this one. So, demand. So, kanang demand, muna sa mga apples, grapefruits, mga fruits. Una, ang mga price na gihatag ni Sams o ni Tius. Then, ang iyang result, muna iyang mga, muna atong ibutang sa product. Okay, ato man na siyang multiply. Okay. Do you have questions? Clarifications? If, wow, let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed. So, in matrix also, we can use also in the linear system. Murag na kaibaw naman to. We are already known in the chapter 2. They use matrix. No, I think you are familiar of this one, the linear system of 2 variables or pilani 3 variables. So I hope nga diretso na ni nato kay sayon na ni no. Okay. So observe the left hand side arises from the matrix product. So of course, kanang x sub 1 minus 2, x sub 2 plus 3, x sub 3 is equal to 5. So, ang ihang numerical coefficient, ana, so muna dyan na siya, kanang 1, negative 2, 3, negative 1, 3 and 1, 2, and negative 1 and 4, times the variables, which is x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 3. And the product is kanang 5, 1, and 14. Okay. Or A times X is equal to B, where A is a coefficient matrix and X is the column vector of variables. And B is the vectors of constant terms, which is the result of the linear system. Okay. And we see that matrix AX is equal to B has a solution if and only if B is a linear combination of columns of A. So that is the condition. The condition of this matrix A of X is equal to B has a solution if and only if B is a linear combination of the columns of matrix A. I know this is already discussed during the chapter 2, the previous, no? So how, all right, the given system of linear equation as a matrix. So atong buhaton na what we're going to do here is to write the given system of linear equation into a matrix in the forms of AX is equal to B. Okay, for number 1, wants to answer. Ayun na kayo. Aturan na siya. We will write that one in a matrix forms. AX is equal to B. 10 seconds for letter A and for 10 seconds for letter B. Okay. 15, if B, 15 pa rin. Okay? What? Ako na lang i-review kayo. Murang hapit na akong oras. Okay, so for A is 1, negative 2, 3, 2, 1, negative 3, the numerical coefficient of matrix, and the variables is x, y, and z, and the constant is 0 and 4. For letter B, that is 3, 1, 3, negative 1, 1, 1, 1, negative 2, 5, negative 2, negative 1, and for the variables x, y, and z, so the constant is 2, 5, and 1. So that is so easy. No, we will use the formula of EX is equal to B, where A is the coefficient of the matrix and X is for the variables, that is for the columns, and B is for constant. Okay. There is another fact about matrix operation that will also prove to be quite useful, or multiplication of a matrix by a standard unit vector can be used to pick out or reproduce a column or row of a matrix. Okay, let matrix A is equal to 4, 0, 2, 5, 1, and negative 1. And consider the products matrix A sub A3 and A sub 2A chosen so that the product makes sense. Thus, A sub A3 is equal to 4, 0, 2, 5, 1, and negative 1 times 0, 0, 1 is equal to 1 and negative 1. Okay, if you multiply this one, of course, the result is 1 and negative 1. Okay. For A2, A is equal to, so baliho na to. So 0, 0, 1, so the answer is 0, 5, negative 1. Notice that is A3 give us the third columns of A, and A2, A sub 2A give us the second row of A. We record the general result as a theorem of 3.1. So what is a theorem about in this one? So let matrix A be an M by N matrix, and A sub I, A 1 times N standard units vector, and A sub J and N times 1 standard unit vector. Then, so this will be the theorem. So A is the ith row of A, matrix A, and Aij is the jth column of A. So we prove, so this will be the proof of B. So for letter A, so we're going to prove in exercise 41. Okay. So we could also prove B by direct calculations. So, nanalo siya. Multiply this A sub 11 times 0. So the answer is A sub 1J, and etc. Since the 1 is it in the GF entry. Okay. How about the partition matrices? What do you mean by partition? Do you have an idea what is partition? Hello, napabata diri? Please react. Wow. Wow, napa si Sir Franz, napa si Sir Elisar, Sir Ma'am Brem, si Sir Anthony. Wow na wow. Si Ma'am Geraldine Hart. Okay, what do you mean by partition, classmate? Okay, if we talk about partition, that is part, no? Mura gibang gi-divide. That is, yes, very good. That is divide. Partition matrix. So, partition matrix is also known as a block matrix. It's a matrix that is interpreted as having been broken into section, and that is called as block or sub matrices, or that is a partition matrices. Okay, consider the matrix. So, what size of matrix is this? Matrix A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 by 5. So in a matrix A, 5 by 5, so we can divide into 4 or as many as you can. But in my example, is 4 lang ang gamay. So in the examples given, so there are 4 partition matrices, no? So they are labeled as I, B, O, and C. So for I, so what matrices form? So that is 3 by 3. And that is what kinds of matrix? Is it kind or types? Kinds.
Square matrix.
Okay, that is square matrix. How about 3 by 2? Okay, that is 3 by 2 for letter matrix B. So for O is 2 by 3, that is 0 matrix. And for letter C, that is 2 by 2, kanang 1, 7, 7, and 2. So muna siya yung mga partitions. They are divided into 4. So in this way, we can view matrix A as 2 by 2 matrix whose entries are themselves matrices. Okay. Suppose matrix A is n by n and B is n by r. So the product matrix AB exists. If we partition B in terms of its column, no? Atong i-partition daw nato si B in terms of its column vectors. So matrix B is equal to partition B sub 1, partition B sub 2, until partition B sub R. That is, now R is the number of columns. Okay. So then, A sub B is equal to B sub 1 partition of B sub 2 until B sub R. Okay, this one. So this result is an immediate consequence of the definition of matrix multiplication. And this form of this partition matrix is called the matrix column representation of the product. Okay, let us consider the matrix example given. Matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 0, negative 1, 1. And matrix B, 4, 1, 3, negative 2, 2, and 0. Okay, then we will, okay, atong i-partition ang B. No? Atong i-partition ang B. So, A partition of B, that is B sub 1. So, atong kuanon, bungkagon, itong i-divide by column. So, therefore, muna siya yung result. 1 times 4, then 3 times 1 plus 2 times 3, that is 13. Then 0 times 4 plus negative 1 times 4, negative 1 times 1, sorry. Negative 1 times 1, tapos 1 times 1, that is 2. And A, partition B sub 2. So, karon na pong partition B sub 2, ang ato ang A, multiply this one sa A. So, 1 times negative 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 2 times 0, that is 5. So, 0 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times 2 plus 1 times 0, that is negative 2. So, ang atong gipartition ani is ang matrix B. Okay, therefore, AB is equal to partition AB sub 1 and AB sub 2, which is 13, 2, 5, and negative 2. And let us check if the answer is correct. Okay, this one. So, atong i-multiply gani nato ng kanang A of B. So, the answer is 13, 2, and 5, negative 1. So, they are the same. So, that is the matrix column representation of the product. So, again, gi-partition na to ang B. How about A? Atong partition ang A. Kaya? Atong solbon? Murag, hapit ng oras. So, let's proceed. Kay 30, kuan pa ba ako? 26 slides. Okay. Suppose matrix A is n by n and B is n by r. So, the product matrix AB exists. If we partition A in terms of its row vectors as, this one, ato na pong gi-partition ang matrix A. So, ina na ang mahitabo. Gipartition nato. So this result is a direct consequence of the definition of the matrix multiplication. The form of the right is called the row matrix representation of the product. Katong ganiha the columns matrix, karon the row matrix representation of the product. Consider the matrix, compute AB. AB. So kana, compute the matrix A and B. So this one, gi-partition na po nato si matrix A, si column, row. Oh, di ba ang sa answer? Oh, this one, 13, 5, 2 and negative 2. So therefore, matrix AB is equal to partition of A sub 1 B and A partition A sub 2 B is equal to 13, 2, 5, and negative 2. Okay. The definition of matrix products, matrix AB uses the natural partitions of matrix A into rows and matrix B into columns. This form might will be called the row columns representation of the product, and we can also the partition A into columns and B into rows, and this form is called the column row representation of the product. So that is a definition of the row, column, and row. Okay, this one. So that is the illustration of the row column representation and the column row representation. Okay, let us proceed. Thus, each A sub I, B sub I is an M by R matrix, the same size as A matrix A and B. So the product of A sub I, B sub I are called the outer product, and the 2 is called the outer product expansion of matrix A and B. So that is all about the row column representation and the column row representation of the product. Okay, consider the matrices. Compute the outer product expansion of matrix A and B for the matrices A and B. Sige. Wants to try? I will give you 60 seconds. Then again, as a rule, first talk, first correct, first prize. Sige. Huwag na may badutang tanan. I-outer product expansion. So, meaning, atong i-partition ang A, partition po na to si B. Okay, do you have an answer? Okay, ma'am, Alma, what is your answer?
I'll try, sir. Kanang matrix 2, 1, matrix 3, 0 is equal to matrix 6, 0, 3, 0.
Atong i-partition ng matrix A, ma'am, o partition po na ang matrix B. So, bali, tipuon na to ay i-multiply na to ng matrix A sa kaning.
So, 1, 0 multiplied
1, 0, o 4, o
negative
negative 1.
1.
So, the
That's
answer
what
is, yes, correct. Next, ma'am, sunod.
Then 3, negative 1 multiplied by 1, 2
Yes, correct.
is equal to 3, 6, negative 1, negative 2.
Next, ma'am.
Then 2, 1 multiplied by 3, 0 is equal to 6, 0, 3, 0.
Wow, very good, Ma'am Alma. Wow, amazing. Perfect, ma'am. Correct. O, di ba? Atong i-partition Oh, yeah, gi-partition nato ang matrix A and partition sa matrix B. So atong gi-multiply ang isika partition sa matrix A and matrix B. So the answer is 4, negative 1, 0, 0. Then 3, negative 1, 6, and negative 2. Then 6 and 0. The result is 13, 2, 5, and negative 2. Wow, very good, ma'am. Wow, amazing. Okay. Any questions about, do you have questions about the partitions? Okay, if none, so let us proceed. Okay, next is the matrix power. Matrix power. So what is the matrix power? So if we talk about matrix power, when matrix A and matrix B are the two n by n matrices, their product, matrix A, B will also be an n by n matrix. A special case, of course, when A is equal to B, it makes sense to define A to the power of 2 is equal to A times A. So, di ba? The factor of A to the power of 2 is A and A. And in general, to define A to the power of K as A to the power of K is equal to A times A times A times A, where K is the number of positive integers. Okay, if K is a positive integers, thus A sub 1, A to the power of 1 is equal to A. And it is convenient to define that A to the power of 0 is also equal to I sub n, which is identity, right? Okay, before making too many assumptions, we should ask ourselves to what extent matrix power behave like powers of real numbers. Okay, the following properties of the matrix powers. If matrix A is the square matrix and R and S are non-negative integers, so that R and S are the key, right? Then A to the power of R times A to the power of S is equal to A to the power of R plus S. So what we're going to do in the exponent or in the power is just add, no? Kung same ang yang base, so atong addon ang isika exponent. So R plus S. And for the next properties, A to the power of R with the quantity of power of S. So unsay atong buhaton? All you have to do is just multiply the power. So that is power to power in the law of exponent. For number 1 properties, that is the law of the product of the exponent. Okay. Example, if matrix A has an increase of 1, 1, 1, compute A sub A to the power of 2 and A to the power of 3. Who wants to answer? Compute A to the power of 2 and A to the power of 3. So what is your answer?
All elements are 2, sir, if A is
Yes,
squared.
very good. All our elements are 2 for A to the power of 2. How about A to the power of 3, ma'am?
All elements are 4.
Very good. Kinsa man to si Ma'am Alma. Wow, ma'am. You are converted into Giga 50. Okay, very good, Ma'am Alma. Okay. So all you have to do is ato rang kaduaon nato si matrix A. Then apply ang matrix multiplication, di ba? 1 times 1, that is 1. Plus 1 times 1, that is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Apply. Okay, and in general, A to the power of n is equal to the entries of 2 to the power n minus 1 and 2 to the power n minus 1 for all n is greater than or equal to 1. So the basic step in to prove that the formula holds for n is equal to 1. So kana. So as to prove that formula that n is equal to 1, so this one. So di ba when kung atong pulihan si n is equal to 1, kani nga general equation, this one. So that is 2 to the power of 0, to the power of 0, so 1, 1, 1. A is matrix A as required. Okay. The induction hypothesis is to assume that A to the power of K is equal to 2 to the power of K minus 1, 2 to the power of K minus 1. For some integers, K is greater than or equal to 1. So the induction step is to prove that the formula holds for n is equal to K plus 1. Using the definition of matrix power, the induction hypothesis we compute. This one. Diba? So a to the power of K plus 1 is equal to K times A. So the value of A to the power of K. So this one times 1, 1, 1, 1. So the answer is this one. 2 to the power of K plus 1 minus 1. Thus, the formula holds for all n greater than or equal to 1 by the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, example. If matrix B is equal to 0, 1, negative 1, 0, compute B to the power of 2, B to the power of 3, B to the power of 4, and B to the power of 5. Okay, so I will be the one to show na lang ha, kay murag napayduha pa yung reporter. Okay, so for B to the power of 2, so this one, so ang answer is negative 1, 0, 0, and negative 1. For B to the power of 3, so that is, bungkago na to si B to the power of 3, mahimong B to the power of 2 times B. So that is negative 1, 0, 0, og negative 1, times 0 times negative 1, 1, and 0. So the result of B squared, atong i-multiply dire sa kuan, kani negative 1, this one. Negative, result sa B to the power of 2, i-multiply dire nato. So negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1 times the B, the interest of B. 0, negative 1. So the result is 0, negative 1, and negative 1, and 0. How about for B to the power of 4? Okay, the result of B to the power of 3 will multiply to this B. Diba? So the answer is 1, 0, 0, and 1. Okay. How about the result of B to the power of 5? So the result of B to the power of 4 will be multiplied to the B. The interest of B, so 0, negative 1, and 1, and 0. So, based on this solution given, what can you say about this one? Base anang B sub 2, B to the power of 2, B to the power of 3, B to the power of 4, and B to the power of 5. What can you say about their answer or ilang product? Do you have an idea? And include the interest of B. So what can you say? What is your conclusion? Uh, 15 seconds. Nga inyong makita sa board, sa inyong screen. Including the interest of B, which is 0, 1, negative 1, and 0. Okay? What's an idea? So, unsa may atong ikatsulti ani? So, okay. So, thus, B to the power of 5 is equal to B. No? Diba equal si B to the power of 5? 0, 1, negative 1, o 0, o kare si B? They are equal. And the sequence of powers of B repeats in a cycle of 4. That is the conclusion, or the conclusion or the result when you compute B to the power of 2 until to the B to the power of 5. Okay? Do you have questions about the matrix of the power? If none, so please react. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the listening. Wapata na human. Okay, next is the transpose of a matrix. Actually, taas yun yung classmate. Transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose of a matrix? From the word transpose. So if you talk about transpose of the matrix, so all you have to do is just interchange the row at saka column of the A. Of the matrix A. A naman noon. Matrix A. And that is the ith columns of transpose A is the ith row of all matrix A for all I. So atura na siyang interchange ang row at saka columns. So the transpose is sometimes used to give all alternative definition of the dot product of the two vectors in terms of matrix multiplication, and they used to define a very important type of square matrix. Okay, consider the matrices. Matrix A, B, and C. Okay, what is the transpose of matrix A? Diba? Atura siyang i-interchange ang row at saka column. So instead of 1, 5, 3, 0, 2, 1, nahimon siyang 1, 3, 2, and 5, 0, and 1. How about matrix B? So what is the transpose of matrix B? Okay, very good. A, C, and BD. How about C? Oh, 5, -1, and 2. Okay, that is the transpose of matrix. So yun, no? What you're going to do is you will interchange the rows and the columns of the matrix. Okay. If U is equal to the entries U sub 1, U sub 2, until U sub n, and V is equal to V sub 1, V sub 2, until V sub n. So then, U times V is equal to V sub 1 times V sub 1 plus U sub 2 times V sub 2 until U sub n times V sub n. So, if U times V is equal to transpose U times V. Oh, they're equal na siya. Useful alternative definition of the transpose is given components-wise. Transpose matrix A is equal to A sub GI for all I and J. In words, the entry in row I and the column J of transpose A is the same as the entry in the row J and the column I of A. So that is the transpose of the matrix or matrix. Yeah. Okay, a square matrix A is symmetric. So when we can say the matrix is symmetric if transpose A is equal to A dot is if A is equal to its own transpose. So kung equal gani siya sa ihang equal gani ang iyang interest sa ihang what do you call this one? Sa iyang interest sa iyang isig ka transpose. So that is symmetric. Okay, for example, this one, di ba? Matrix A, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 0, 2, 0, 5. Oh. Inig-transpose po niya, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 0, 2, 0, 4. Oh, then, matrix A is a symmetric since transpose A is equal to matrix A. O, di ba? So, unsa may pasabot din ang matrix? O, kanang B, symmetric ba na siya? Dili. Why? Because the transpose B is 1, 2, -1, 3. So, it's not symmetric to 1, -1, 2, and 3. Okay? Okay, what is a symmetric matrix? Has the property that it is its own mirror image across its main diagonal. So, that is figure number 3.1. Illustrate this property of 3 by 3 matrix. So that is symmetric. Para po na to, manamin ta, lisod o laing tao ang nakita sa atong sa amin. So they're the same. No? Okay. So that is a theorem 3.2. So the algebraic properties of matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Let A, B, and C be the matrices of the same size, and let C and D be the scalars. Okay, then A plus B is equal to B plus 1. So that is the commutativity or commutative. For properties 2, A plus B plus C, so it's equal to A plus with a quantity of B plus C, that is associativity. Okay, I know you are already familiar with these properties since nag-start ta sa ato ang klase, no? Gi-prove na ni siya. Okay. Ato let's ato lang i-rewind kay naman po na sa book. Okay. For property C, so A plus 0 is equal to A. And for property C, A plus negative 1, negative A is equal to 0. So for C, the scalar C times A plus B is equal to, so what you're going to do is you will distribute the scalar to the matrices. So C times A, that is CA, C times B, that is CB. For properties F, so the same, distribute the matrix A to the scalar C plus D. So that is why CA plus DA. Okay. And for these properties J, C times scalar D times A is equal to CD and A. So next is A times 1. Of course, if we multiply A times 1 or matrix A is equal to A. So the associativity property allows us to unambiguously combine scalar multiplication and addition without parentheses. If A, B, and C are the matrices of the same size, then 2A plus 3B minus C is equal to 2A plus 3B minus C. That is how the parenthesis is very important in associative property. Okay. And so we can simplify, write it to A plus 3B minus C generally. Then if A sub 1, A sub 2 until A sub K are matrices of the same size, the scalar C1, C2, Ck are scalars, we forms the linear combination. O, balik na po ta sa linear combination. Okay? Excuse me. As a coefficient of the linear combination, so let A sub 1 is equal to 0, negative 1, 1, and 0. A sub 2 is equal to 1, 0, 0, and 1. And A sub 3 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. For this question is B. Matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 1, a linear combination of A sub 1, A sub 2, and A sub 3. How about this one? Is matrix C is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, a linear combination of A sub 1, A sub 2, and A sub 3? Yes or no? Okay. For let A sub 1, so this one, that is a matrix given. So we want to find the scalar C sub 1, C sub 2, and C sub 3. So what you're going to do is you will multiply this one. So C1 times A sub 1, C2, A times A sub 2, and C3, A times 3 equals to B. So this one. So they are scalar. The left-hand side of this equation can be written as, okay, for C2, okay, C2 plus C3, then negative C1 plus C3, then C1 plus C3, and C2 plus C3. Comparing interest and using the definition matrix equality, we have 4 linear equation. And what are the 4 linear equation? Okay, what are the 4 linear equation? So the 4 linear equation are C2 plus C3 is equal to 1, right? C1 plus C3 is equal to 4. Negative C1 plus C3 is equal to 2. and C2 plus C3 is equal to 1. So that is it. Okay? Okay. So C1. So therefore, kato si question number 1 is correct. Katong is B, kani this one. Kani wait. Kani. Let A sub 1 is equal to this one. So they are, may tawag, linear combination. How about this one? C1, C01, negative 1, 0. For C2, 1, 0, 0, 1. For C3, 1, 1, 1. And ihang C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is not a linear combination. So the row reduction gives, so this one, so unsa itong gibuhat? So G minus nato ang row 4 minus 3 R1. So in this linear combination, so we will encounter such parallel repeatedly. From now on, we will discuss that one chapter 6. For those who will assign for that chapter 6, so sila na mo elaborate aniha. So kamo ni elaborate kay, I think this is partial. So for chapter 6, for the report of the chapter 6, you will explore more. Okay. The properties of the matrix multiplication. Okay. What are the properties of matrix multiplication? Consider the matrices again. A is equal to 2, negative 1, 4, negative 2. And B is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1. Compare the product of A, B, and BA. So, unsa may ihang say the product of AB and BA? Is it equal or not? Okay, very good. AB is not equal to BA. So, what is the result? O, diba? Sa AB, i-times na to A of B. So, the result is 6, 4, and negative 3, and negative 2. And for BA, ang iyang result is 2, 4, 1, 2. So, therefore, AB is not equal to BA. So, in the contrast of multiplication of real numbers, matrix multiplication is not commutative, the order of the factors in a product matrix. Okay. Let A, B, and C be matrices and whose size are such that the indicated operation can be performed, and let K be the scalar. Then A times C is equal to AB times C, and that is the associativity. For number 2, A with a quantity of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So we're going to distribute the matrix A to matrix. So that is AB plus AC. Next, for quantity A plus B times C. So the same, we'll use the right distributive. No? For 4, properties number 4, the scalar K with the matrix AB. Diba? So it's equal to KA times B and A times K times B. For number 5, okay, identity or multiplicative identity. Okay, prove. Okay, how to prove this one? A with a quantity of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay, to prove this, okay, A with a quantity of B plus C, so that is the IJ is equal to AI times BJ plus CJ. Then, atong i-multiply si EI times BJ plus EI times CJ. Sunod. So, what is the result? ABIJ plus ACIJ. So, therefore, AB plus ACIJ. Since this is true for all I and J, we must have A with the quantity of B plus C is equal to AB plus C. That is the proof of the given. Okay, how about this one? Multiplicative identity. A is equal to A is equal to AI identity. Okay, we note that the identity matrix IN can be column partition as. So, column partition. So, are you familiar sa column partition? nga atong gi-discuss gani ha. So identity n is equal to partition of a sub 1, a sub 2 until a sub n, where a sub I is an standard unit of the vector. Okay, therefore matrix A with the identity n is equal to a sub 1, partition of a sub 2 until a sub n. So that one. So therefore, so A with the identity is equal to A. That is by theorem of 3.1. So that is B, di ba? We already discussed the theorem of 3.1, A and B. Prove ganito na to. Okay. So if A and B are square matrices of the same size, is A plus B squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That is the sum of the square binomials, right? Okay, they are equal. A plus b to the power of 2 is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, gi-squared na to ang first term. Then, gi-multiply na to og twice the product of first term and last term. Then, plus square the last term, and the result is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Using the properties of matrix multiplication, we compute a plus b squared is equal to a plus b, a plus b. So, atong gikaduha, because if we talk about exponent, which is 2, the exponent is 2, tells that how many times the base are multiplied. That is the rule of the exponent. Okay? A plus b times a plus a times b plus b, that is left distributive. A squared plus 2a plus b squared, that is right distributive. Gi-distribute si a. So, munang a squared plus 2ab, gi-plus lang duha. Okay. So, therefore, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab squared if and only if a squared plus ba plus ab is plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Subtracting a squared plus b squared from both sides of gives ba plus ab is equal to 2ab. Subtracting ab from sides gives ba is equal to ab. Thus, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared if and only if a and b are commutative. Theorem number 3.4, the properties of the transpose. Let A and B is the matrices whose sides are such that the indicated operations can be performed, and let K be the scalar. Then, okay, the transpose A with the transpose is equal to A. Next is with the quantity transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose A plus transpose B. So, they are equal. So, ato na siyang multiply ang isika power sa A at saka B. That's why transpose A plus transpose B. For letter C, so scalar with the matrix A transpose is equal to, so ipagawas na to si scalar, so they are equal into this one. So that K matrix A, the transpose A is equal to K with transpose A. For letter D, the transpose AB is equal to transpose B times transpose A. So they are equal. Okay, this one. Transpose with the power of matrix A, R, transpose is equal to transpose A, R. Okay. I-gawas ra si R, then isod si ato arang i-transpose si A, so mo equal na siya. Okay? For all non-negative integers R. Okay, to prove. So, sige lang tag-prove, no? So, that is a linear algebra. To prove, transpose AB is equal to transpose A transpose B. Okay. So first, if matrix A is M by N and B is N by R, then transpose B is R by N and transpose A is N by M. Thus, the product of transpose B and times transpose A is defined as R by M, since the product of AB is M by R. Transpose AB is R by N, and so transpose AB and transpose A times transpose B have the same size. So they are the same size. We denote each row of matrix X by row and its J, yes, column by column J. Okay, so this one, the transpose AB is equal to AB. So we will multiply this one, the row J times A times column B is equal to transpose A times transpose B is equal to row transpose B times transpose A, and that is transpose B times transpose A. And note that we have used the definition of matrix multiplication and the definition of the transpose and the fact that that product is commutative. Since I and J are arbitrary, and this result implies that transpose AB is equal to transpose B and transpose A. Okay, naminaw pa ba ang tanan? Next! Okay, for properties B and D of the theorem 3.4 can be generalized to sum and the product of finite many matrices. Okay. So assuming that the size of the matrices are such that all of the operation can be performed. So consider the matrix A and B. So then transpose A. So what is a transpose A? That is 1, 3, 2, 4. So A plus transpose A is equal to 2, 5, 5, 8, a symmetric matrix. So what do you mean by symmetric matrix? It's a matrix that is equal to its transpose. As I said a while ago, it should be equal. They contain three properties, including real eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and corresponding to the eigenvalues that are orthogonal, and the metric must be diagonalizable. How to check whether metric is symmetric or not? Okay. Step 1, find the transpose of the matrix. Next, step 2, check if the transpose of the matrix is equal to the original matrix. And step 3, if the transpose matrix and the original matrix are equal, then the matrix is symmetric. That is how to check the matrix is symmetric. Okay, consider the matrix A. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is 4, 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. Is B symmetric? Okay. We have transpose B. So, ano sa yung transpose? B, 2, negative 1, 3, 0, and 1. No? So B transpose BT, B is 4, negative 1, 0, 2, 3, 1 times 4, 2, negative 1, 3, 0, and 1. So, the result is 17, 5, 5, and 14. And how about transpose B and B? So, baliho na po na to. So, what is the result? 20, 2, 2, 2, 10, 3, 2, 3, 1. So, thus, both B transpose B and transpose B are symmetric, even though B is not even square. So, theorem 3.5, sorry. If A is a square matrix, then A plus transpose A is a symmetric. And for B, for any matrix A times transpose A and transpose A times A are symmetric matrices. Prove. A plus transpose A. So how to prove this one? So A plus transpose A is equal to, so atong i-transpose tanan. Isun na itong parentheses. So A plus transpose A to the transpose. So tapos, ato na siyang i-simplify this one. So isig transpose kanina, transpose. So mahimo na siyang A. So that is, unsa may kuha na ni? A transpose A na. Kaya nabit, di ba? Naman ni 1. So automatic na siya power nga 1. So 1 times T, that is transpose A. Plus A to the power, transpose A with the transpose A. So the result is A. Again, if transpose A to the transpose na pod, the result is A. So therefore, A plus transpose A. Using the properties of the transpose and the commutativity of the matrix addition, thus A plus transpose A is equal to its own transpose, and so by definition, that is symmetric. Okay, questions? Clarifications and violation reaction, do you have? Okay, thank you. So, thank you everyone and have a great day. Okay. I think the next reporter will follow. Okay, ang inyong mga load, unya na ha, kay magtuwa sa taog report.